Like a bowl.
All right, ladies, I have a treat for you. Today we're going to be talking about three attraction switches that guys want to admit to having. I made one for men, right? So I would check that out if I was you guys. But this is for women, and this is different, right? This is what guys are attracted to, but they want to admit to having. Now, this is not all of them, but this is the ones that guys when they see this in a woman, I mean, they get attracted more, right? And the first one is going to be a joke, but it's true. When they see you with a black guy, oh Lord have mercy. Even though I'm joking, it's true. I'm saying this because I'm joking, but it's true. When look, man, I can see look, guy, ladies and gentlemen, this should be a study. Put a woman with a black guy, and then put that same woman with a white guy, and then have guys rate them how attractive they look. I could promise you that they'll see the woman with the black guy as more attractive. I could promise you that. They'll see the woman because for some reason it's kind of like I want her. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but anyways, let's just get started. That was a joke, but there's some seriousness to it though. I gotta do my research though. That's just my own silliness, but I gotta do my research to that. But I really do believe that if you date a black guy and you have a black guy as an ex, it makes you more attractive, ladies. All right, but we're not talking about dating the football team though. All right, so let's talk about this. The first one is this, right? If you dump them, they will take you back, ladies. Some guy, like most guys, if you dump them, they will take you back. Like especially if you were the one in control, especially if you were the one who acted, who was the one that was being chased, right? And I could tell you that even with myself, to at some point with my ex, if she would have taken me back, I would have taken her back, but I would have dumped her eventually though. You see what I'm saying? You gotta be careful with people, man. People are vindictive, right? Like they'll take you back just to dump you, right? People, man, they're evil. I'm evil too, right? I'm evil, motherfucker, right? But that's the point though, is that guys, they'll like you more if you dump them. If you dump them, and you make it seem like it's your fault, and you dump them, and you make them lose hope, and you take them back, you're making their dreams come true because they were thinking about you the whole fucking time. Ladies and gentlemen, the first time I had sex with my ex, it was unbelievable. Like the first, like the like makeup sex, like after like a few months of not, after a year of not seeing her, right? Of me saying I'll never see her, and I haven't heard my bad. It was like a dream come true. It was one of those things, right? That rarely happens, right? But the point is that it was because she dumped me and then took me back. And there's something my body like that. My body felt validated. Like it wasn't even my conscious self. It was like there was a part, like a satisfaction of it's kind of like thinking of that food you really want and finally getting it. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of, you can't even control it. It's in every single one of us. It's fucked up, man. Shit. Anyways, so yeah, that's an attraction switch. We won't admit to it, but it's true. The next one is if you treat them with indifference, they will like you more. Like the guys that you treat with indifference, they end up liking you more. And the thing is that you don't treat guys that you like with indifference because you're not indifferent. You like them, and that's why they treat you like shit. But guys have this attraction switch, is that when you treat them with indifference, they can't help it, and as a result, they're gonna wanna get your validation. It's just human nature. You see what I'm saying? So the problem is that when you like the guy, you don't do that, right? So the next one is if they see other guys liking you, they'll like you more. So guys have this attraction switch called pre-selection, right? Similar to the black guy theory, right? Or it's kind of like women tell me, how do I get my guy to take me out more? I always tell women, if you want him to take you out more, just start going out with your friends more, or start going to a salsa club more, or start taking jiu-jitsu classes, right? And the guy will notice that, and he'll want to join, and he'll want to take you out more, or he's broke, right? Either or. The point is that if you start going out more, he'll start going out more, particularly if he feels like there's going to be other guys. You see, guys, when they're in a sexually competitive state, they end up doing more. They end up chasing more. Sexually competitive state is when they feel like other guys could bang you, right? When they feel like there's guys around you, so they work to keep your interest. So they start working out more, they start taking you on more, they start complimenting you more, they start doing more things to validate you, right? And so that's what happens. So when they see other guys around you, when they see that you have a social circle, when they see that in your job you have guys, he's gonna feel insecure, and he's not gonna like that. But you know what? He's gonna like you more. It's how it is. It's human nature. It's fucked up, but that's how things are. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction, and these are the three traits attraction switches that every guy has, and they just won't admit to it. Why would they admit to it? You know what I'm saying? All right, peace out, motherfuckers. By the way, I'm going to be having a seminar in New York City, so just go to the link below to know where it is. It's going to be October 26th. Just go to the link below and check if I'm going to be going to your city in my website, mindfulattraction.org. See you then. All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.